stone is heavy and the sand weighty, but a fool's unreasonable wrath is heavier and more burdensome than both of them. Proverbs 27, verse 3. Very easy we can understand the situation. Construction field where there are stones and sand for making buildings and other structures. In fact, masonry work, excavation work and other construction works are very difficult, especially in adverse weather. But if we ask the workers about their situation, about their experience, they would say hard work is not a problem for us, but the supervisors are the problem. The shouting, the insulting, provoking, tight schedule is our problem. That makes our life bitter. So in any work condition, there is a spirit of fool, spirit of evil, which will discourage you, which will insult you. How can we overcome this spirit? First of all, find out the purpose of the work. Why God allowed you to work in the field or in the office? Who started the first work in the field? No one but Adam, first man. After sinning, God told him, go out of the garden and work in the field from where I had taken you. So, purpose of the work is to find out yourself and to find your Creator. If you are not seeking God, if you have no time to seek God, this foolishness spirit will provoke you. So many people committed suicide because of work pressure. So if you want a peaceful atmosphere, successful atmosphere, also if you want to use this situation to receive revelation about God, try to find time definitely on a daily basis to seek God. That is the remedy. That is the purpose. You will find peace in God.